Pascual, number 3, idol ko. Naglalaro lang pala si number 3. Pascual from downtown. Sinal, first try of Mr. Pascual. Pascual, to Pascual, idol ko yan. Pascual, nagmamadali. Pascual, lumipad. And a basket. Awarded to Mr. Pascual. Completely.
Sablay.
Sablay lang, pero...
Ayun na naman si
Bon, Jacob shooting.
Last quarter, fortunable tayo ha, maniwala.
2 for 2 for the foul. Penalty.
16 daw po eh. 16, Jeff.
Oh, maborang. 1 point up. Drew. 40 seconds to shoot. Stolen by Pascual. Pascual lumipad the lefty. We have a low score ball game. Pascual.
15 seconds.
Good for 1 point. This is our 7th deadlock of the ball game. Lamang pass to Pascual na. Pascual na nagmamay. Sige po. Gomez, ikaw pass. Pascual from way. Pag nagkaroon tayo ng jump ball, ba't ang gabubo? Pasok na naman yan. 10 seconds.
5 seconds. Bang!